Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you two things that you want to do if your iPhone 15 or iOS 17 is freezing, glitching, or you're having all sort of issue on the new iPhone 15 lineup, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or even an iPhone that has iOS 17. So what you want to do is going to be really simple and easy. Of course, first thing is I recommend is going ahead and closing out all the apps that you have open by simply swiping up and just go ahead and close out all the apps. Now, after you close out the apps, it's time to do the first troubleshooting thing, which is known as a force restart. So how do you do a force restart? It's really simple. You're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down. So that's going to be a sequence, one after another. So volume up, press and release, volume down, press and release. Not this top button, that's the new action button, so don't press that button. It's going to be that volume up, volume down, and then finally on your right hand side, you're going to press and hold this big side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo. At that time, you'll let go of that button. So how do you do that? So I'm going to do in sequence, volume up, volume down, finally hold that side button just like that, and you're going to keep on holding it. You're not going to slide to power off, just keep on holding it until the screen goes completely black. As you can see, it takes about a few seconds for the screen to go completely black, and then once I see the Apple logo, I let go of that button. Now when you did volume up and down and after that you press this button, Siri activated. That means you didn't press the volume up followed by volume down quick enough. So it has to be a sequence, volume up, volume down, and then finally holding that side button until the phone normally reboots up, and after that your issue of freezing, glitching, or any software issue you're having should be gone with that, because all we have done is shut down the phone fully and then have it reload the software of it. Now this method will not delete any of your personal data, so you don't have to worry about that. And the next thing you also want to do is check if there is an update available, as Apple is fixing issues as they're coming up. So in order to do that, you're going to go into settings, go to general, software update, and look to see if there's an update available. It should say if you're on iOS 17, your iOS is up to date. That means there's no update. But if there is an update and it says a download and install, you want to go ahead and download and install. Make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged, connected to a good strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. And after that, do another force restart that we did. If you do a software update, it's recommended that you do a force restart every time you update your software to make sure your software is optimized to work correctly. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make a like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.